Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. Yes, surprise, surprise, a female in her mid-20s getting a FabFitFun box delivered. It just got here today. So for Christmas, my dad was very generous and he got me a FabFitFun subscription, which I've been wanting for like 2 years, and it's like one of those things that I don't want to get myself it because it's something I don't need. It's just something like I want. And I got it for Christmas this year, so thanks, Dad. This is the second box that has arrived. It is the spring box. One comes for every season, and I thought, hey, I like to watch people unboxing things on YouTube. And this channel, this new year, new channel, new me, this is all about, you know, just things that I like to do and have fun doing. And I thought I would have fun unboxing this on camera for all of you. So here we go. So before I get into the actual box, I got a few add-ons because one of the things I got in my box last season came broken, so I got a credit on my account. So I ordered some additional add-ons. So the first thing is this Mason Home Scent Collection Solstice Diffuser. And it is from the Pottery Barn, which is like bougie. Is it called a reed diffuser? A wood diffuser. So it goes like that, but the sticks like spread out like that. And then I'll put this smelly stuff in it, and it's like nice and beautiful, and it'll smell beautiful. I have this thing where like when I open boxes of things, I want to keep them in their box, like in like box condition for as long as possible. So I'm gonna put it back in the box until I find a home for it. And the second add-on I got is this super cute bag. This is like a circular wicker bag. She's very cute. It is from the brand Summer and Rose, which is the same brand. Those of you who got the winter FabFitFun box, if you got the robe that came with it, it was also Summer and Rose. This is super cute and it's really good quality. Now for the actual FabFitFun box. Oh, classic FabFitFun unboxing thumbnail. Allow me to get my handy dandy scissor tools. Oh geez. There's spring, oh my God, stickers. I'm new to this whole FabFitFun thing, so I think like every season they have like a theme. So this season's theme is Grow Forth. And then there's also like a magazine that has all the products in it, and it like explains the products. And there's just all sorts of, you know, magazine-like stuff. Okay, so first thing in the box are these I don't know how you say that. I don't know how you say reusable beauty rounds. Well, isn't that convenient because I just bought makeup rounds, like disposable ones in bulk on Amazon. 6 more packages of those to get through. But once I'm through, I've had a subscription box in the past, but I find I don't always end up using like everything that comes in the box, and I was very pleasantly surprised with the winter FabFitFun box because everything in it, I think there was one little like leather wallet that wasn't really my style, but other than that, everything else I loved and I have been like using constantly. So I've been really happy with it so far. I need to be more organized. I'm just like throwing everything on the floor and I don't like being not organized. Garbage can go over there. Wait. There's stuff that's not garbage. Okay, there we go. This is the hair scarf bundle. These super soft scarves can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun. So these are just like cute, silky scarves to use. I've never been one to be able to style my hair with things like these. I just can never seem to get it right. Is this how you do it? Oh my God, is this actually how you do it? Okay, this one goes with my outfit better. Okay, so I'm guessing, oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, I did it. Wait, this actually looks super cute. I've never been able to do that kind of stuff before. Wait, does this look dumb? Hold on. Oh my God, I did it. check this out. It actually looks cute. This next thing, Halston Aloe Infused Gel Line Socks and Pumice Stone. Oh, these are heavy for socks. They're like rubbery on the inside. Oh, that is not what I thought it was gonna be. You know how you can get those like aloe infused socks at Bath and Body Works? These are different. They're actually like lined with aloe. It's not just like infused. So this next thing, I've heard about this one on the social medias. People saying it looks quite tacky, and yeah, I can confirm, just a little tacky. Yeah, personally, it's not quite my style, but it'll make a great regift, maybe to one of my nieces. I think they'll love this. This next thing is a face oil, Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. This oil features spirulina. I never know how to say that word. I just always read it. I never say it. And blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. Looks nice. I like the bottle. It's got a blue tint. Don't know what else to say about it. It sounds nice. I picked this one. This is a makeup brush set. I was touching up my makeup before this video. Can you tell? I was thinking about how I remembered that I picked these for this box. So there is a powder brush, foundation brush, eyeshadow brush, another eyeshadow brush, a highlighter brush, and a contour brush. I usually don't use the brushes for what they're supposed to be for, I feel like. Don't try and fit me into boxes as I fit you into a box. Okay, there's two more things. This is a super eye serum with retinol 8. Whatever that is. Where are you on this picture? Oh, you're on this page. Energize tired skin around the eyes and target signs of aging. I want to smell it. Doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like cream-y. Cool. I mean, I'll try it out, see how it is. And last, but certainly not least, Kane Water Hyacinth Tray with cutout handles. This, I love this. I've always loved the look of like basket style trays, woven baskets, woven trays. But I've never like actually just bought one. I'm always seeing them and I'm always like, oh, that looks so nice, but I never buy them. I don't know why. So now I don't have to buy one because I have one. This is super cute on a coffee table or even like hanging on a wall because that's, you know, super trendy these days. Yeah, I love it. Okay, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a fellow FabFitFun subscriber, then I hope you enjoyed the stuff that you got in your box. Comment down below if you were and what your favorite thing was from the box. I think my favorite thing was, you know what? Technically this didn't come in the box, this was an add-on, but I think my favorite thing is this bag or these hair things. These actually, like, I'm so pleasantly surprised by these because like my hair is so fine and thin that I've never been able to like style it with these things because it just looks weird, but I actually think this looks okay and I'm just super happy about that. But I think, yeah, I think this is my favorite thing or this.
I like everything.
Everything is so close to being my favorite. I like it all. I like it all. Thanks FabFitFun, and thanks again Dad for getting me FabFitFun for Christmas. I can't wait till the summer till I get my next box. Okay, bye.